Hello everyone, and welcome to this new edition of web page creation, in which we will talk about creating a table into your web page. You use HTML tables to present tabular data on a web page. You can also use tables for page layout. Tables allow data to be arranged into rows and columns of data cells. You define a table using a table tag. The TR tag divides the table into rows, and the TD tag further divides rows into data cells. Tables are composed of rows. Each row has one or more data cells. The TR tag specifies a row in a table. Table rows have an align attribute. This attribute specifies the alignment of elements in a row's data cell. Valid aligned values are right, left, center, justify, and char. TR align center. TR. Table rows are comprised of one or more data cells. The TD tag specifies a data cell in a row. An example include students, table border 1, name, sex, age, school, male 35, and then you save and open. You have your table that has been created. Students, name, sex, age, name, school, sex, male, age 35. Padding is the space between the cell's content and the cell's border. Spacing is the space between adjacent cells' borders. Cells padding and spacing can be given either pixels, values, or percentages. Table, cell padding 5, cell spacing 10%. A typical example is table border 1, cell padding 10, TD rise to 664,867, and this is a new table that has been created with inputs rise to 664,867 for the first table. Then we have a break, then the next table in which our padding have been added. Now we will talk about adding headings to tables. You can assign headings to rows and columns using the TH tag. The text in table header is often emboldened. To specify a heading for a table's columns, replace the first row's table data cells with table header cells. Table border 1, heading TH heading 1, TH heading 2. You save, then you see that only our headings have been bolded. We can also specify column spans and row spans. The column span attribute tells the browser how many columns a data cell should use, and the row span tells the number of rows the data cell should use. As an example, we have a table border 1, row span of 2, and column span of 2 for book and cost. As you can see, the row span 2 told the driver that we should use an equivalence of 2 rows to represent the cell containing book, and an equivalence of 2 columns to represent the cell containing costs. Also, the column span 3 told the browser to use an equivalence of 3 columns to represent 1000 for the row to represent the cell containing 1442. This was all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video for more notions on web page creation. Ciao ciao ciao.